Guys, I'm going to make a reaction video because Uri Monsta X just made a comeback and I'm gonna react to their music video Do What I Want live. So I'm not even watching it yet, so I'm gonna do the first reaction to it to our on Uri Oppa. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, let's start. I don't know if I'm going to post it in TikTok or YouTube, but let's just pray that I'm gonna upload this somewhere. So excited kan? Okay, bye. Okay, let's go. Start.
Is this what you want? Damn, do what I want. Do what I want. Damn, do what I want. Do what I want. Yeah, 오랜만이야 막 달리는 ratio. 알잖아 내 적토마 같은 patient. 이런 case 이런.
I cannot. Tengok Sean macamnya. I'm done. I'm really done. Tengok Sean pun sudah. I'm done. He really made me insecure in everything. I just bye. Ay, never mind. Let's start again.
Hey, 누가 하냐 showtime. It's now so we don't up 이 위에서 하나같이 점사네 up 자신에게 face to face.
Okay.
베베 고인 무바다인데 뽀뽀.
Okay. Wow, the music video is so like retro. Bye. Sean, I cannot see Sean like that. He's so he's at the same level as Mingyu right now. I said it. Oh my god, Shano is so hard. What the hell? What the hell? And with wings, the fuck? Oh my god. They really focus on him lah. I don't know. If I'm just like that, I don't know the girls though. Are you like fainting? Okay, just start back. Oh. Not all of them with wings though. Bye. Oh my god. I cannot. Is this even allowed? All of them are shirtless. Stress. I'm really stressed right now because all of them are really hot. Aduh, ini pala eh. I tiba-tiba terlupa na the names. Bruh, what the hell? I am the name. Oh my god, I just forgot. I thought it was Hyungwon. Bruh, what the hell? Oh my god, why are they also looking like very handsome and sexy?
You made me blush.
Bye. Terus apa dia? It's also like so funny lah, the music video. Do what I want. Do what I want.
Do what I want.
Okay. Juhani. Wow. a break dance or dance battle.
I do what I want.
Wow, wow. Love the concept. It was so nice. It's like back to 90s. I like the Shono with the wings. Angels. Bye. That's it. Like when I see that, that's it. Like and washing a car, bruh. He should wash my car right now. What the hell? Where is he? But they're so cool. I love all of them. Honestly, I'm very excited for the Monsta X comeback. I just really a fan of them. And seeing them doing comeback and just being themselves, I think they're some sort of loosening up the vibe, which is like so really like I see the freedom in the music video, and it's so refreshing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Fighting Monster X. I hope I can be the wings. To be honest, follow for more K-pop content. Maybe I'm going to make some music video reaction, or maybe some sort of like K-pop talk, and then I love to seeing you guys punya reactions about my comments or your opinions. Maybe hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace.